Welcome to Vibes of India, and today we have gathered to address yet another issue where Gujarat police caught a babysitter who was selling a 11-month-old child for a few lakhs to a family in West Bengal. Similar cases have put parents in so much concern, so much distress that we have gathered to address the issue and identify what can be done in this issue. Will it lead to decrease in the women workforce? How are working parents going to deal with it? And we also have IPS Premveer Singh to address the issue and tell us about what the police force is going to do in this matter. So yeah, let's start. Sir, पहले तो आप ये अगर कुछ बता सके इस केस के बारे में कि how did you identify the babysitter and what do you have to say about the whole case?
First of all, I must congratulate you to bring this topic in the discussion at a public forum. Because there may be many working couple who may be disturbed with this news. But at the same time, I will also like to assure that we may consider it as one-off case and should not panic because everyone is not same. And if you see around you, there may be many maids who are so much credited to the upbringing of the child in a very well manner. So with this, this case has come to the forefront with the proactive approach of Ahmedabad police. We had received a tip-off that one case of child adoption has been there, and the couple who wants to adopt the child, they had sensed something fishy when the person approached them to offer a child. So in that background, we started checking and investigating the whole this episode, and then came to know that a maid who was working here in Ahmedabad, she tried to sell a child, 11 months old child, to a person in guise of being the real parents. So that lady has been arrested, and the person who was working as middleman to sell the child in guise of adoption, he has also been arrested, and the investigation in this case is going on.
And so what do you have to say? How frequent are such cases in Gujarat?
See, in my personal knowledge, this is the first case of this kind.
Okay.
Yeah. There have been cases of missing children. There have been cases of abduction of child. Okay, but selling a child for money, and that's too in guise of adoption. It is first of its kind.
Yeah. Okay. So today we also have working women with young kids along with us, and we are trying to identify what are their concerns. So what do you feel about the whole issue with it?
See, hearing and seeing, reading about the issue actually gave me a shock, because as sir mentioned, this is the first kind where we, in Ahmedabad, in Gujarat, we are hearing about child trafficking kind of issue. So yes, it was shocking to me, and again, being a mother of 2-year-old and already keeping the child with a caretaker was like giving me a lot of insecurities, that whether the child is in safe hands, whether I'm doing the right thing, whether I should be working, I shouldn't be working. All these questions were in my mind. Yes.
Okay.
So definitely.
Yeah. What about you?
See, as he said, and I'm born and brought up in Ahmedabad, married into Ahmedabad. My daughter we are raising her in Ahmedabad. By far, and I've travelled extensively for work, I think the safest place which I see is Ahmedabad. Having said that, one of these kind of incident, it is one of a kind, but it creates a little bit of trust deficit. On the contrary, there is no other option for working women if they choose to continue to work. There is some, I mean, you definitely need to take your own set of precautions and follow all the laws in doing so. Like, you know, I am sure there are laws which says that, you know, you need to submit their ID proof, etc. to the officials. Often a time it is ignored, and somewhere down the line it is parents' responsibility to do all the verifications before they actually put their child in somebody's hand. So I think it is, parents are equally responsible, but cases like this definitely creates a trust deficit, and the question arises that what's the option is the bigger question which we need to address, because as I said earlier, in India there is no organized childcare facilities provided either by government or even the private childcare facilities are non-functional due to COVID, which makes it extremely difficult for any women, especially, I mean, any parent, like any family, wherein both mother and father they are working. It is kind of challenging for them.
What about you?
So, I'm a very new mother. My son is just 10 months old, and when I actually read about it, trust me, I couldn't sleep entire night. My anxiety level was like on the top of the world, and I had so many questions about my own work. I had so many questions about the caretaker, though I know that the caretaker is actually loving my son more than me, because I usually see her 24/7. Okay, I've observed her, but you know, after this incident, I've actually stopped believing in myself, and I make sure that no, she cannot be like 100% perfect, or you know, I can't trust her blindly, right? So I have to be very careful, and I had few things in my mind that because I used to really trust her, I never put CCTV cameras or you know, the baby monitor cameras, but now I feel I have to, you know, of course it's one of a kind as told by sir, because Gujarat has never faced such a problem, especially with such small kids. It's unbelievable. So yes, it was extremely shocking for me at least. And you know, after a point of time when this case actually we all read, I spoke to my husband that, you know, for me, do you think I should stop going out unless he starts speaking, okay? Because these small kids, you know, they can't express. So I had so many questions. Then of course I agree with her about this one point, that one must do absolute research about
Due
of the
diligence,
caretaker, okay? So for example, if you're buying a land, okay, you see thousands of options, you make sure you go bonkers, okay, that the investment is right. So I believe caretaker is the biggest investment right now. I mean, that has to be very important. You have to do your best of research before, you know, hiring somebody and giving your life. My son is my life, okay? Giving your life to somebody in other hands, you have to do the best of research, I feel.
True.
So yeah, that is there.
As you said, like, so do you think that parents are missing out on the verification part? Is there a problem that you think that is evident?
See, it is true. Not only parents, there are many other areas also where we advise people to get their household servants verified. But there is almost no compliance, if I can say.
No compliance in Gujarat.
On that part, at least in Ahmedabad. People don't come forward to furnish the details of their employees, be it your maid or male servant or even drivers. So the problem is there. There may be some hesitations. There may be some sense of wasting of time
Yeah.
The people better know about it, but the compliance is very low, and I must say that people should come forward. It is for their own security.
Absolutely. Very true.
And when some incident happens, we find that they even don't know the real name of the person.
We just know the
Very true.
like
You know the face of the person and whatever alias he or she gives.
Yes.
But sometimes it happens that you don't know the real name of the person. So we must come forward. There is a facility. You can go and give the details of the person. In fact, we very regularly we take out a notification that whosoever you are employing at your house or anywhere, even if you are renting out your property to someone, please give us the details. So the notification is in force as of now also.
Yeah.
But I don't know how many people
Comply with
it.
comply with that.
Yeah.
And in addition to that, we have a online platform also. There is a citizens portal of government of Gujarat, where there are a lot of services available to the citizen, and one of them is registration of their employees, household employees and drivers. Though it is not for verification, obviously, but you can
Register
get
it.
Register.
them registered. So it also works as a deterrent. You put all the documents relevant to his identity. So
That's a very important
Yeah.
It
point.
is
That
a kind of registration, then it works.
yeah, so there is a portal for registration also. So though the people can take benefit of that also. So there are forums and facilities available. Only thing is that the citizens has to have to come forward. With that.
But can there anything be done about that when the compliance is so low, like to spread awareness about this issue or to spread awareness
I was
about
about
like
to say
going
that ki,
forward?
awareness is
Yeah.
very important. See, even
Yeah, see, the notification is in public forum, but we don't read.
Yeah.
And number two is the other thing is the punitive action, which we often do, but there are certain limitations to that. But yes, this is a right opportunity for us to spread this, and the facility is there. We have a mechanism to get the incidents verified of a person who you are employing. So I will appeal here that please come forward and avail this facility rather than living in an environment of mistrust and fear for that matter. Please come out and get yourself helped.
Yeah.
it's for your own
Definitely.
safety. It's for our own
Yeah.
safety. Yes.
So even if due to the trust deficit that are created due to such cases, if a mother or a parent would want to keep the child in a daycare facility, I don't think that Gujarat, Ahmedabad has such infrastructure available. Do you think that we need better infrastructure also to help
See,
kids?
this is not. I'm not the right person to comment on that.
Yeah.
I may comment on the policing part,
Yeah.
but this pertains to
Yeah.
some other domain.
Yeah.
So I should not comment on it.
True. Yeah. And issues like this also lead to women, hesitant towards the whole workforce, to going to
Absolutely.
offices. What have been your thoughts? Like, did you give second thoughts after this incident
Of
on your
course.
work? And
I just
Exactly,
told her
that's
that
what-
I spoke to my husband that do you think I should be more careful, or do you think I should stay at home and for a few more years unless the child starts speaking?
Yeah.
So of course it does create lot of panic. I'm telling you, I was very scared. And as I told you, Edson, I'm a very new mother, so my anxiety level is actually
Yeah.
too much that I was before coming here also I was so panicked that he's well or not. Okay, I'm gonna call you thousands of times. I will be there in max 1 hour. So it does make a lot of difference after this incident, and especially happening in Gujarat it's unbelievable.
True.
The place where I work, we are mostly women staff. Okay, and I have seen that usually women leaves her job once she's pregnant or once she delivers, because the first reason is there is, she does not want to hand over the child to someone else, or we don't have that kind of facility.
Yeah.
So
To keep the child somewhere
yes. So on the other hand, we are also lucky to have a place where we work. We have a creche, and very thankful and grateful to our directors who have come up with this idea, because I think in Ahmedabad very few places and place like school where maximum women are working, there's a creche for the teachers' children. So I think it's both. Yes, women do leave their jobs because
Yeah.
they are scared.
They are
don't
left with
want
no
to.
option.
Yeah,
Yes,
true.
exactly.
I work with leaders across the globe, some of the top corporates of India, and a very pressing issue which most of the boards I hear that women on the board seat, but the harsh reality is that no matter how much we would like to say that there is no gender bias in workplace, the laws are women friendly. I think the laws also need to be more male friendly, given that maternity leave is allotted to women.
Yeah.
There has to be a special slot for paternity leave, wherein for 6 months if the mother is with the child, the next 6 months father can be with the child and mother can get back to work.
True.
So that they
There is an
don't,
imbalance when it-
there is no halt to their career, because this halt of maybe a year or two pushes them back in their career. There are good corporates or there are good organizations who definitely have an infrastructure like this, but if it is law abiding for every organization of certain strength to follow, I think the dropout of women from workforce at a certain age and phase in their life will significantly get reduced, and there will be a better childcare for everybody's child, and they will get an environment in which is safe for them, at least till the time they learn their self-defense.
Yeah.
So that is extremely important, because at 6 months you can't teach them what is pepper spray. At 6 months you can't teach them how to kick somebody. So that's very difficult.
Yeah.
You can't teach self defense to a 6-month-old child. So I think
I think we also need to correct the imbalance that is there between.
Yes.
Yeah. Like our organization gives parenting leave to fathers also, and I think that's the need of an hour, that
Absolutely.
to keep a balance in that as well. True. And you also pointed out that there should be more of technology, not just humans, when it comes to taking care of the child. Do you think that most childcare places do not have enough technology there?
First of all, there are no child
Childcare,
places.
yeah.
First of all, first question is there are no child. You are on your own. ये आत्मनिर्भर mother situation है, where mother has to go find maid to take care of child.
Yeah.
If and there are handful of childcare centers in Ahmedabad. Fortunately enough for her, she has it at her workplace.
Yeah.
I'm building my own organization. The day I reach that capacity, I'll definitely have one in my own organization. But
There is no childcare, no technology.
but the ones which are all there already, they do have CCTV, just so that they can check the box of compliance.
And that's
But
all.
that's all.
That's
all. If there is a force mandate that we should be able to access it live, if there is a facility like that, and there is a better way, as she said, maybe baby monitors attached to kids, which becomes usual, which is not usual in India at the moment. All that should become normal and extremely subsidized, if I have to say that.
Which should be a compulsion things, yes.
Yeah.
Very interesting. And what about the other issues that issues like this where babysitter scam just came out? What are the other concerns that as working women you face, apart from not having a childcare facility, not having proper maids? What are the other issues like?
The major insecurity or the major anxiety is once we have our child, if we want to work,
There's a constant guilt.
Yes,
There's a
there's
constant
also
guilt.
guilt that
When you are
also-
at home, you are guilty that you are not getting enough done at work.
This is
When you are at work, you are guilty that you are not taking care of your child.
Exactly.
There is a constant guilt as a mother, which to an extent probably I have overcome because I have an extremely supportive husband. But I have seen working mothers
guilt
burning
burden
themselves.
killing
And it's just with women, I think. It's not with the
With the
father.
fathers,
It,
of course.
like Vrinda rightly mentioned, like she has told her husband that whether she should go out for work or
and
not.
not.
It's the same with me. Like if you see, it's almost going to be 2 years for my daughter. In this 2 years or 1.5 years, I've told my husband like more than 5 times, should I leave the job? Should I leave the job? You know, it's the
Yeah,
guilty
guilty
conscience
that kills you.
This guilt
Yes,
conscious
that,
actually
she was
kills
not
her.
she was not well, I had to go to work. You know, kind of guilt,
Yeah,
everyday guilt, or everyday not spending those little hours
Yeah.
feeding,
Absolutely.
giving her food or something like that.
Making her
Yes,
yes.
yes.
And this
So it's
guilt
all-
of not working also. So even
Yeah,
if I
yeah,
am home
both
24/7,
ways,
I am so guilty that I have to
Yes.
stop working.
Yeah.
And you know, mentally,
Yeah.
it's a torture.
It pinches
because-
you a lot.
Yes, it pinches you. So that is why, you know, there's this mental pressure always that, oh my god, I'm not good at work also. Oh my god, I'm not able to handle the child
Yeah.
also. So you know, this is a major problem I feel the women are
That,
facing. Yes, absolutely. And I truly believe that.
Like,
I'm not
you know,
sure
it
of
also
the
nuclear
it is
families,
important,
right?
and
Oh my
post COVID it is important for temples to open, sports complexes to open, clubs to open, restaurants to open.
So-
What about daycare?
Yeah.
Which is extremely important. It has been
Yeah.
almost 2 years now since the time we are managing,
Absolutely.
suffering.
House.
It is juggling more than what we should or could
I
juggle.
hope you're listening. If something can be done in this regard. Yeah.
Yes.
Especially if the families are becoming nuclear, the
Yes.
issue is
Yes.
even
Even
more
if it is
severe.
not nuclear, it is. I mean,
I can
honestly, only in India it is a culture that kids stay home.
Home, yeah.
Everywhere
Otherwise,
else, they
kids stay
even if there are in-laws or if there are grandparents,
Still.
they do go to daycare.
Yes, yes.
They have that, so their social learning with their peers, their
Yes.
friends, their like-aged people. It
Yeah.
is the culture in India that oh my God, if I'm not taking care of my grandchild, or if I'm not taking care of my daughter or son, I'm not loving them enough. That is a self-imposed pressure that should not
Proper
be there.
Indian
True.
mentality.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So having a childcare facility, having more
right,
technology, what are the other aspects that you think should be pointed out when we're talking about child, especially in say Ahmedabad, Gujarat, that we need to bring that out? Yeah, guilt definitely.
I again I want to say that the point she said that the laws should be like that. There should not be only maternity leaves. There should be parenting leave so that if I
Parent-friendly laws.
Yes, absolutely. So it's not that only a woman has to be, on 6 months leave, and there is no option that a man or a father cannot be. So give him also option. So why always we come that should we leave our job? Why it's always us?
Yeah.
Why can't the father say okay?
Where the
I
whole
will-
onus comes on women.
Yes. So
And that's where the
question.
guilty part is more.
Yeah.
More with us.
Yes.
True. Yeah. And so anything to say about their concerns? Like they have multiple concerns, but something where you can pitch in.
See, there are 2-3 things
Yeah.
I would like to say. Yes, the concerns are very valid, but we should not be paranoid.
Yeah, absolutely.
We should be very pragmatic, and we should look at the solutions. What are the solutions available? We have a child, we have a job. Neither you can leave the job, or you cannot think of
Leaving the child.
so both has to go
Balance.
together. Now, see, there are few very traditional methods of doing it, and there are few methods which technology gives us. First, I will talk about the traditional things. Some may agree with me, or some may not. Grandparents are not there. That is okay, understandable. But we have neighbors. We should have some kind of relationship with our neighbors, because if there is a homemaker available in your neighborhood, she can be a watcher.
Yeah, true.
She
Absolutely.
can be an eye in your absence. She can come, she can have a look what is happening in your absence. She can be trusted, he can be trusted, it can be both. So that is one thing I feel we should think of it. Number 2 is when you hire a person, please go through a proper background check.
Very
Yeah.
true. Yes.
The agency which you are contacting, the onus lies on the agency to give you a clean person.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you are spending so much money,
Extra.
the agency must take responsibility.
Yeah.
So then yes, of course, coming to police station, it's you are always welcome. There are n number of people who feel privileged in saying that I have never visited a police station. I mean, what kind of achievement you have?
How matlab? Yes. how
What
do
kind
it?
of achievement you have made in your life? You have not visited a police station. It is a government facility.
It's not.
And you should go and
Right.
It is a government facility.
Yes,
You can visit a hospital. You can visit a school. You
Yes.
can visit a bus stand.
But why not?
Why
Not
not?
a police station. It has been provided by the government for your safety.
Yeah.
We need to change this.
Very
mindset.
rightly said.
Right.
Okay.
Very good point. Yes.
It is not just catching thieves, and it is again for your. It is again for your
Ah,
safety.
safe.
You know,
Yes.
changing the whole perception is so much
And
necessary.
other challenge is also lack of awareness about emergency contact details.
Yeah.
Like in US, it is 911. If you dial 911, any small child, I mean 1-year-old or 2-year-old
Yeah.
nowadays can operate phone and they can dial 911.
But here,
what is the number do the
See,
child call if they are uncomfortable?
See, it is 100 number.
100,
100.
100.
100.
100.
Anyone can call this number. It is 24
By
by
7.
7 available. We have a big. You can. I will invite you to visit our control room. Yes.
No.
I am as a additional CP crime branch. I am inviting you.
Right.
And you please come with your friends also.
Right.
You come and see our control room. Okay, it's a wonderful facility
24/7.
24/7 where we have all operators working round the clock, and there are few sincere lady officers
I am
also,
sure.
okay, which you will love to meet,
Interact,
and I
yeah.
think they will be going through the same
Challenge.
Challenges, that's-
which you
yes,
have.
yes.
You know, so please visit our police stations.
Sure.
Just shed that inhibition
to-
which
yes.
we are carrying for decades. The police is for you. Yes, you may have some misconceptions,
Right.
but once you visit,
Right.
you will feel that they are also normal human beings like you.
So what happens when you dial 100? It goes to IVR or
Is it
directly
like an
somebody
emergency?
answers?
Yeah,
Because,
so there-
because
there is
that's the
system.
challenge. That's where the
There
problem
is a
lies.
system. You go, you dial this dial 100 number. There is a call center. There is an operator available for you. He will pick up your call, and when he listens to you, then he will dispatch this call to the concerned officer.
Okay.
We have police control room vehicles. You must have seen.
Yeah, patrolling we have
Yes.
seen.
Patrolling vehicles in Ahmedabad city, we have very good response time.
So even if there is an emergency, this
within
can
5 minutes,
Yeah, yes.
PCR van reaches your house.
Right, right.
Okay, so so this is one thing. Then another thing is regarding this gender thing also. So we have devised a system of she teams. There are all women teams in every police station. We have 50 odd police stations in Ahmedabad city, and we have a team of all women police officers who patrol around their areas, and we have given them certain priority fields, like we had focused on the schools, the colleges, the senior citizens. In COVID times, we had 3,000 odd senior citizens who could not help themselves. They need a lot of say some need some grocery, some provisions, or medical help. So these she teams, they were providing all these facilities to these elderly people. So these she teams, being women themselves, you may connect with them.
Yeah.
Better if you have
To be honest, I
some
didn't know
problems
about
with
the
the
she
male
team.
officers,
most
but there
women-
are lady officers available in police stations. You can meet
Approach
them.
and-
You can approach. So that is one thing.
No gender bias there.
There are a lot of things which you don't know.
I actually agree.
That's also through this medium we want to tell people.
Yes, I absolutely agree with you.
Yeah, so when people say that I have never visited a police station,
There's
nothing
nothing to
great in
take
it.
pride.
No, it's not about
There is
the
nothing
price.
great in it.
Yes.
Exactly.
Exactly.
And I think people should be invited to the control room so that
That's
they
what
can
I am.
see.
I have invented on camera. So now it is on record.
Nothing beyond that you could do.
Yeah, so one thing is that. Another thing is obviously the SHIELD team that you spoke about.
Yeah, teams are there. Then obviously I talked about the verification process.
The compliance. Yeah.
So you can avail that facility also. And then comes the technology part, like baby monitors, you told,
Yes,
or
CCTV cameras.
CCTV cameras.
Yes.
Obviously, it encroaches upon your privacy also, but it gives you.
Yeah.
It added the safety.
At least you can
this.
notice certain
Yes.
behavior which.
Yeah, and now it is all live. You can see
Yes.
wherever you are.
Yeah.
Now you can see it on your mobile
yes,
phone.
yes.
yeah.
What
So
is
you
happening
know
in
that
my
what is
house.
happening. And then I think monitoring the behavior of child is very important.
Yeah.
True.
I think
If there is
psychological.
something amiss or something is not going as per the small children are very sensitive. Even if she is 5 months old, but you as mother will notice that there is some problem.
Yeah.
So if the child is having some kind of discomfort, some irritation or something in her behavior, I think it should ring
yes.
You should
an
notice.
alarm.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, that there is something
Going on.
going on
Yes.
which is not good.
Yeah.
So these things can also be
Taken
taken care of.
Very true point, because I myself is a clinical psychologist and I know how important it is to
observe those finer things.
Yes, observe those little changes in your child's behavior.
Yes.
Because if the child is always happy and but 2-3 days continuously, if the child showing irritation in a particular time frame, whether you after work, when you go home, and there is always this irritation, you have to understand, you have to know what has changed in his or her routine. These are few finer things
Points.
that if we get, if we put them into our own observations, I think.
And also having frequent conversation with your own
Yes.
child.
that-
What's
yeah, I think
nowadays
we
very
parents
important.
miss out on
Netflix and chill kind of a culture. Parents come home, they have Netflix on, and children they are watching their own stuff. So it is extremely important. Spend 10 minutes. It's not that you have to speak and be a daunting parent or constantly be a
Talking to them,
helicopter
yes.
parent.
Yes.
But it is extremely important. Just how was their day? What did they
Yes.
eat? Did they like the
Very
food or
true.
not?
Yeah.
And in having those conversations, they will get into a habit of
Sharing.
responding
As
to
in,
you,
no, and
and they will
sharing
feel
things
that there is a
with you.
two-way bridge wherein I can tell my parent or my mother or my father anything that I should be telling.
Yes.
So there is
Sharing
always this
should-
somebody
And again,
else.
that should
be the best
both.
Open
Yeah.
channel.
Yeah.
Open channel should be, like I've seen whether a child is small or little grown up, the child hesitates to share certain things with the parents.
Yeah.
Why? Because the child might seem that mummy को तो इसमें interest नहीं है,
They
पापा
might
को interest
assume
नहीं है.
Yes.
Yes, वो दिखता है, because our behavior is what, आज तुमने क्या किया, इतना कर लिया, okay, मेरा काम खत्म हो गया, पूछ लिया मैंने.
दूध पिया खाना
हाँ,
खाया.
so रोज का
Yeah.
routine पूछ.
Yeah.
What about the conversation?
Yeah.
What
I
about
think
that?
that's what we
How
miss
about
out on.
you sharing? How about parents sharing their day with the children?
Even that would solve a lot of
Exactly.
problems.
Or having a ritual like
Exactly.
giving them bath or going for a walk or spending 10 minutes in the evening while they're cycling, whatever
Yeah.
it can be a ritual and they feel good about it.
True.
So I think a lot of
Yes.
parents miss
And
out on that.
also, I'm just diverting a little topic. I think a mother should also observe the behavior of a caretaker.
Yeah.
So what, even if
That's-
it's on cameras, but a mother should be always observing her nature. How is she? How is she connecting with the kids? And is she's very mysterious in her own life, right? And if she's not, very.
Yeah.
What do you call those words? If she's, very.
Something that you
something
can't
fishy,
see.
and yeah, something we can't see. If she's too much on phone, and there are few tiny
Either
small
it is
issues.
too much on phone, too much of ignorance, or too
Too much
much into the child.
Child.
Yeah.
That is also not good.
That is also
Yeah.
not
Yes.
good.
So, yeah.
So you
I
must
think a lot of,
observe the caretaker also while keeping her, and then you must decide. You want to
Very-
continue with
Yeah.
the caretaker or not. So that's also a very good point for mothers, I must say.
And so apart from the case that we started with, are there any other cases that you would want to discuss where something similar happened, or where the parent could not identify what was wrong with the child?
See, I think I may not remember any such case. Though there may be other cases, but it doesn't fit
Yeah, to this.
this
Yeah.
conversation. But see, parenting, as all of us know, it's very sensitive matter. And even when we are parents, we sometimes feel that we are not doing enough for our
It's a
kids.
constant glitch.
But when a child is in care of someone else, we need to be watchful. Not necessarily that your maid maybe some mischief. I again will reiterate that we should have faith
In our people.
in them also, in her also, because if you don't have faith, please.
Mother not hire.
Like, trust is very
Trust
important.
is very
Please don't hire her. Please get away
Yes, get
with
rid of
that.
her.
But if you are having, then please have a healthy dialogue with them also.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should treat her like a family member
Okay.
and not yes.
And her activities are very important. So what is she doing in normal course? It is very important, because you cannot hide something for a long time. It's a human tendency. Today or tomorrow the true
Will come out.
truth will come out.
Yeah.
So when you interact with them, you find a lot of things, and do their background checks.
Yeah.
If she is having some relatives around you in the same city, I will suggest that
You go and
you sometime meet.
Yeah, that's
visit.
also very interesting
Okay,
thing that we
so
should.
that you know that what kind of
People
Background
she's
she comes
around.
background
Yes.
she comes from, so that at least this kind of fear will not be in your mind,
Very
because
true.
you know
Very true.
the
Yeah.
family.
Yes, yes.
I'm sure the trust
Builds,
factor
yeah.
will definitely
See,
not.
trust is the most important
Thing
thing,
when
because
it
you
comes
have
to-
handed
yes.
over your child to her.
Child to them.
Okay, so that is very important. And then your societies, if you are in an apartment or
Yes.
something
Interact
like that,
with neighbors
you
and like.
interact with neighbors. You have your society people also
Will support, yes.
some this society body,
Yeah.
Yes.
is there.
Yes.
So they are also helpful in some way or other.
Right.
है ना? because they know that what is happening in there, okay, around the apartments. Okay, so that is again one thing which we can have. See, we are all human beings.
Yeah.
We may not be having our own relatives with her, but with us, but we have another
Some
people-
other
set of people-
option we do.
set of
always.
people around us.
True,
So
very
we should use that to the maximum.
Yeah.
Don't
Not
feel shy in asking for support.
Yeah.
Yes,
No,
yes,
no,
yes.
no. Ask for support.
That always.
And I'll tell you, there are few people who are more than happy to help.
Yeah, most
Yeah,
of them.
yeah.
Just that we hesitate to ask.
Yeah,
Yes.
sometimes it's
Like-
I can say ना कि मतलब
There's always a way out for everything,
Yeah.
to be honest.
so
yes.
that's what I'm saying. See, there are always more solutions than the problem itself.
Yeah.
So we should look at the solutions, and I'm sure that we can come out of this kind of issues with the help of the community. But yes, community involvement is very important.
Yeah. Community involvement, trust, as
Very
rightly say, the emergency number that parent can get help with.
Yes, in fact, we must now those kids who are a bit grown up, those who understand these things, they must know that who can help them.
Yeah.
As a mother,
And
we
I
should
think everyone
aware
should teach
this.
kids.
Yes, to
Even
teach
in
them.
schools, this should be a.
They should be
Yeah.
this thing. Yes.
Schools do.
Schools
have-
should impart this
schools,
knowledge.
Yes.
Self-defense is one
Top.
subject taught.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is schools
See,
do.
self-defense is one thing. It is hardware part of it.
Yes, but the other things are.
But the
also,
kids are really
yes,
small.
The other
Like-
thing is like you call
Helpline numbers.
you call psychologists in the school. You call some doctors, like some dentist. You will call because the kids have these
Yeah.
small things, some problems.
Yeah,
So-
health checkup.
Yeah, so you call a dentist, you call someone else. But at the same time, you can call a police officer also.
Why not?
Yeah.
Why did you?
Yeah.
Why?
Why
Superb.
not?
Yeah. Why not?
You can call a police officer. Now, see, the kids are fascinated with uniform.
Yeah, yeah.
They're fascinated
tell
with
you.
lawyers and
Yes.
doctors.
Very true.
Okay. Anything else? They are. When you ask a child what will you like to come, then a police officer or
Yeah.
doctor because they have
Yeah.
some kind of uniform.
Uniform.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you said that you can visit the control room, that was the first thought that I had.
So you
that
take
why
your
not
child-
Kids, we take them to different places. Why not to a
To control room
where they
instead of
actually
taking
see,
parts every day, we should
things
actually
happening
take.
there.
See, there are a lot of things which police can offer to the kids. We have a wonderful riding school, horse riding school.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so if
Your
any
kids are-
school wants to visit that horse riding school, you are always welcome.
Yeah.
Sure.
You can come and because we have good horses in Ahmedabad city. So there are certain things which can gel up
Yeah, true.
with kids.
Right.
We need to look for solutions.
Yeah.
Then just
But like I
emphasizing
have
on
a
the
very,
problem.
very small concern. Like for example, if I want to take my kids to a police station, right? So that liberty is not given at the police station, right? Just going
Walk in.
walk in and taking my child
think
and
so?
have a
That's-
tour to
they
police
want to
station.
be-
That is not the liberty, right? Matlab, I don't think so. You guys will appreciate us taking our kids and
Kids to a police.
So what do you say about that? Matlab, how we actually introduce our kids to the police stations, to police officers who are actually
Yeah, see, yes, your concern is very this thing, but the problem is you cannot walk into a police station like you are walking on road. Okay, but you can visit a police station if you have a plan, if your society, if your office, if your school
To approach it in the right way.
wants to visit the police station. You say that this is the society and 10 of us from this society we want to come and pay a
So
visit
that
to the police
is-
station. Yes,
the
you
thing
are-
is,
you are always welcome.
oh okay.
The thing is,
Point noted.
You are
Point
always
noted.
welcome.
Very well
in
said,
fact,
yes,
in fact,
because-
we visit the societies. Our officers
Yes.
visit society. But since you are not concerned with that, your office bearers of the society, they know.
right, right.
There are few people,
Yeah.
2,
Committee
3, 4,
members
okay,
and
committee
all.
members. They are in constant touch with us.
Right.
But
right.
as a commoner, you are not.
we might not. be,
So
yeah.
my appeal to all is that a commoner should be interested in visiting police station.
Yeah.
It's not only, see, those were the times when it was only a thief catching
The classic example.
this thing. Now
Yeah.
we are facilitator in more than one way.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. There are a lot of things which police is involved in.
Right. Right.
Okay, in society, like I told you, there are lot of services, which you can avail just by registering
Registering yourself.
on our portal.
Right. Right.
Okay, so like that, if you start visiting, if you start interacting with us,
Yeah.
you will.
Fine, of course.
Yeah.
You
The
will
clear
come
will
to
The
know.
harsh realities, I have seen certain parents, certain mothers saying, "Jami le nahitar police avi jaise aa kari le." So they are actually making the kids
Yeah.
afraid of police.
Yeah.
Instead
They should know that this is the safest place in any city or any place on earth. Because these are the people who are your custodians, who are your guardians.
They'll
once-
protect you.
Yeah, they protect
Yes.
you. So as a practice, we should follow that. We should not give false threats to your
Absolutely.
kids.
Yes.
कि ये कर लो वरना police are they are supposed to protect. In fact,
Yeah.
they should feel safest
Yeah.
when they hear police and not be
true.
scared of them.
That's
what I think is
perception change. That's the whole.
Yeah.
That's all rightly
That's what
said.
I'm saying.
That's the whole perception change we need to bring about in the
Yeah.
community
But I
at large.
genuinely
Yes.
really appreciate this point that kids should have been introduced to the control
at an
room or
early
the
age.
police station.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly.
That's
Yeah.
very important
That's
for
what I'm
them.
saying.
Yes, very very
Let us be more open.
Yeah,
Very
Of course.
true, very
Exactly.
true.
And we should know what all facilities government has created for
Government.
us.
Yeah,
True.
And we don't know.
Right, absolutely.
And I think so now, like all the parents who are listening to us, I think they all will be like aware about the rights that they have and how friendly it is to just visit a police station and understand the facility that is given to you for your protection, for your safety, and for the safety of your family. So I think thank you so much, sir, for pointing out valid things that I think that parents can take care of, from the emergency number to the SHE team that you pointed out to the control room, as sir rightly said. And also thanks all of you for sharing your issues, sharing the right questions, so that we all can get answers to that. Yeah. Thank you
Pleasure.
so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
guys.
much,
Thank you
Aunty.
so
Thank
much,
you.
sir.